how to get a free trial of Cursor. This is Matt, and this will be a video on getting that free trial with Cursor. I'm right here on their main pricing page. First things first, I do have an affiliate link in the video description. If you click that link just below this video, you'll find yourself on this page or a very similar page. And depending on what they are offering, as in Cursor, at any one time, they often have this kind of what you call like a silent 14-day free trial. They often have it on Pro. It's not listed here on the main pricing page, but when you sign up for the free plan, you will be offered that 14-day free trial. Normally, it's in their documentation. You can check that out for yourself. So I encourage you, once you're here, to get that free plan. First of all, they call it the hobby plan. There is no credit card required in order to sign up. They do have limited agent requests, as you can see here, and limited tab completions. You can literally just click download right here, and then depending on your system, it will identify. It's identified that I have Mac OS, so I can literally just click download for Mac OS. You can see it went flying up in the corner, that icon, that's universal sign that something is downloaded. I'm here on Google Chrome, so I will find that DMG in the downloads folder. You just open that up and install it, and you can get started with the Cursor free plan. If you're on Windows, you do have these options, and Linux, you have these. You can get the older versions here. So very simply, you can get that free plan straight away. Let's go back to pricing. And like I say, when you actually create your account and start using Cursor, you will most likely be offered that free trial, depending on what Cursor are offering at any one time. They do have the individual plan at $16 per month, that is with the yearly plan. You got Pro Plus at $48 per month, and Ultra, if you want a little something more, $160 per month. That is paid per annum with the yearly plan. They've also got Teams at $32 per user per month. I do have a really detailed video on Cursor price, and if you want to check that out, I will link that in the video description as well. And I do have a playlist of Cursor videos right here on the channel where I go through all aspects of using Cursor, different features and different cool things you can do with the platform. But I encourage you to use my link. Get that free plan, check it out. Maybe you want to stick on a free plan forever, that's absolutely cool. Maybe you want a little something more with one of these pro plans, one of these premium plans right here, as we've discussed. But you don't have to, it's up to you. You can stick around on free forever, that is cool. Hopefully you found this video useful and informative. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. Lost my voice there.